Welcome to Hotel Piney Woods Huntsville, Texas. Experience true comfort, convenience, and warm southern hospitality at Hotel Piney Woods Huntsville, your ideal retreat in the heart of Huntsville, Texas. Conveniently located near I-45, our hotel offers easy access to city attractions and outdoor adventures. Relax in our smoke-free, well-appointed rooms featuring air conditioning, a microwave, LED TV with premium channels, coffee, tea maker, and hairdryer for a comfortable stay. Guests enjoy valuable amenities including free Wi-Fi, free parking, complimentary breakfast, laundry facilities, an outdoor pool, a 24-hour front desk, and a business center. Our prime location places you close to Sam Houston National Forest, the Christmas Village, Raven Nest Golf Club, Sam Houston State University, Bowers Stadium, Huntsville Memorial Hospital, Lake Conroe, and the Bernard G. Johnson Coliseum. Whether you're traveling for business, family, or leisure, you'll appreciate our friendly service and peaceful atmosphere. Hotel Piney Woods Huntsville delivers exceptional comfort, value, and genuine hospitality for every stay.